Hi creators, how are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a talking AI avatar with hands movements as you can see me doing. This makes your YouTube videos feel natural and engaging. I will show you step by step. Thus, it will help you to create content without always showing your face. Let's begin.
This video is different from every other tutorial we have created on AI avatar because this one did not only teach you how to make an AI image to talk, but also with hands movement so that to be real and natural. The very first step we want to do is to generate our image as usual. I'm going to leave all the links to the website I will use down in this video description. So make sure you check it out so that you'll not be redirected to somewhere else. So let's create our image. Head over to your browser and type leonardo.ai. Then click enter. Click on get started. This is leonardo.ai where we can generate our image. Now, this is the image icon. It says image creation. Click on it. Right here, this box here is where you want to paste in your prompts. As you can see, this is my prompts. But before you do that, let's look at some settings. Come in here, always select Floss Dev. As you can see here, select it. I've already selected mine. Under prompt enhance, make sure you leave it at auto. Leave here the way it is. Here is the image dimension. I usually choose 16 by 9 because I want to upload it to YouTube. But if you have other idea in mind or other means of using this photo, you want to choose the one that is ideal for you. But for me, I want to use it for my YouTube channel, so I will choose this aspect ratio or this image dimension 16 by 9. Leave here as medium. Now coming to the number of images, you can choose any one you want. What this will do is that if you choose 2, it will generate 2 different images for you. Then you are going to choose which one is best. I usually leave mine at 4 so that I will select the best out of it. So coming over to here, which is the box where you want to paste in your prompts and how you want your image to look like. I usually get my prompts from ChatGPT. Let's take a look at my prompts. It says, a young Nigerian girl YouTuber in a YouTube studio seated elegantly on a fancy chair, wearing a modest t-shirt with PO YouTube channel printed boldly on it. Our expressive eyes and confident gesture and things like that. So these are just a overview of how I want my image to be. So when I'm okay with this prompt, I will just click here, generate. I've already generated it. So this is the 4 images that the Leonardo.ai gave me. This is the first one, second, third, and fourth. As you can see, they are really amazing, right? If you look at this one, I love this one. So I will just click on download icon, which is this here. As you can see, it's being downloaded to my computer. The next step is to generate our audio. You need to decide what you want your image to say, the message you want to pass on to your audience. That is the script of your video. You need to turn that script to an audio. Let's get to it. Head over to your browser again. This time, type in minimas.io to generate our audio. Click enter. This is minimas.io. We want to generate our audio, so click audio. If you look at here, it says text to speech. This is a box where you want to paste in your prompts. Again, you can also get your prompt from ChatGPT. Coming over to voices, you can actually create your voice clone by clicking here. Here it says drop a file. The audio you have created of your own voice, you can upload it here or even record your own voice and clone it with any AI voice of your choice. But as for me, I want to use the text to speech features. So I want to paste in my prompts that I've gotten from ChatGPT. Let's look at the overview of my prompt. You say, "Hi creators, how are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a talking AI avatar with hands movement, as you can see me doing," and things like that. So coming over to settings, you can click here. You can change the language: English, Arabic, Dutch, Italian, and other languages. If you want any language, just go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a script for that particular language. Then paste it in the text to speech features, and that will generate that audio for you. You can actually change the accent, the gender, and the age. So for me, I like this one, this graceful lady. Then it's always selected, as you can see. I like it. Then I will just go to some other settings. You can change the speed, the pitch, the volume. I am okay with all the settings. If you are okay with yours, just click generate speech.
Hi creators, how are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a talking AI avatar with...
That is amazing, right? So coming over to here that says download. I want to download it to my computer. As you can see, it's already downloading to my computer. The third step is to generate the video. Now, that's your image you have created. You need to make it to talk, move it as it speaks, and explain so that it will feel real and natural. After generating our audio, the next thing we want to do is to turn the image we have created to a video. Remember, we have created an image with Leonardo.ai, right? So the next thing we want to do is to turn that image we have created to a video, because we have already generated an audio for that image. Let's go to video tab. We are still on minimas.io. Don't leave the website. The website, you can actually do audio and video together. So we are done with the audio. Let's go to the video. Coming over to the left hand side, it says create video. Yeah, this is where you want to upload your image that you have created from Leonardo.ai. Click on it. This is the image. Click on open. As you can see, this is the image I have created from Leonardo.ai. This box here allows you to type in the movement that you want. For me, I want hand movement, so I will type in hand movement. When I just click on generate without putting anything here, when I was practicing with my system, I found out that the image is not moving its hand. Just feels like this, the way you can see in the picture, which I don't want. So always type hand movement in this box. And I also don't want the camera to be moving about, so I will type in something like this. It says the camera should be stable, not zooming, while she speaks, smile, and move her hands. The arm movement should be moderate and natural. So the last time I tried this, when I did not put this prompt, which is arm movement, the image just stayed like this. I don't want it. So this time I put it in the prompt. Let's see how it works. So when you are okay with your prompt, just click here that says generate. As you can see, we have successfully turned our still image to a video. Look at the difference. This one is not playing, just still, while this is playing. She's like talking something and moving her hands. Can you see her hands feel natural? This is because I have put in this thing that says this text is a prompt. Say the hand movement should be moderate and natural. And don't forget, I also put something like this. Why she speaks, smiles, and move her hands. So this prompt allow this AI website to convert this still image to a video. And I love that. I hope you love it too. So the next I will do is to download this video to my computer. Right now, there is no audio because I have not added it to the audio I created. So I'll first of all download it to my computer. Click on right click, then come here, download. As you can see, it's been downloaded to my computer. The next step is to lip sync the video and the audio together so that whatever the image is saying matches the audio you hear that comes out from the video. Head over to your browser again and type dreamface.ai. Dreamface.ai. Click on it. Click on this first link. This is dreamface.ai. We want to lip sync our video that we have created together with the audio. Remember, the video we have created from the image is not talking, but it's just moving its mouth and smiling. So we need to join the audio and the video together to lip sync it. So what do? You come to this place, this plus icon that says create. Upload the video. I will go to my download folder where I download the video. This is it, MP4. Click on open. I have successfully uploaded my video to Dreamface website. So as you can see, she's like smiling, saying something, but there is no audio. So I will upload the audio that I've created earlier with Minimas.io so that I can lip sync it together so that it rhyme and feel natural. You can actually use text or prompts if you want. But for me, you already see me doing this tutorial. I've created an audio for this tutorial, and that is what I will upload here. You can also record your voice if you want. So I will just click here. I will go to download folder, this time MP3, the audio I created from Minimas.io. Click on open. This is the audio. So what this website will do is that the website will lip sync the audio together with the video. When you are okay with everything, you click on generate.
Hi creators, how are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a talking AI avatar with hands movements as you can see me doing. This makes your YouTube videos feel natural and engaging. I will show you step by step. Thus, it will help you to create content without always showing your face.
That is amazing, right? So when I'm okay with everything, I will click download. But if you are not okay, you can redo, right? So let me click on download. If you have watched this video up to this point, it therefore means that you are serious and you have gotten a lot of value. Please do a favor for us by giving this video a like so that more people will see it, and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Let's continue. The final step is to edit our video. Now, we want to bring all the clips we have created together in our video editor and edit our video. The next thing you want to do is to come over to your CapCut, click on import the video you have already created, take it down to the timeline. Now, the video you have created is already 26 seconds. If you want a video like 8 minutes, 10 minutes, you need to continue to add more clips here. This is the reason why I'm showing you this. You need to continue repeating the same process as we did for this one. Get your prompts, paste it, make it to a video, then import it here. Do the same for all your clips. Import it to the timeline. When you are done and you have gotten your desired result for 8 minutes or 10 minutes video, then come over here, click on export. You can export it like this to your YouTube channel. I hope that helps. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. And until next time, I want to encourage all of you to keep creating and keep pushing.